How can you connect Bluetooth speaker to phone? Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll show you how can you connect Bluetooth speaker to phone. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, I'm not using a speaker at the moment, but I have this earbuds, you could see this sort of thing, but it will be a similar thing. So what you need to do is you just have to make sure to open up, or you need to turn on the Bluetooth device or the speaker first of all. Once you've actually turned it on, then what you could do is, I'm just going to make sure to turn this on. I've actually done it so here I have actually turned it on. Now what next I need to do is, you need to enable the Bluetooth. So for that, you could actually go to the mobile device, swipe up and then go to Bluetooth, after which you want to make sure to click on or toggle the button for use Bluetooth. And as soon as you do it so, you want to click on the done button and once again go to Bluetooth and click on pair new device, after which you could find the name of the particular device. Now for example, in my case, the earbuds name is Soundcore, so I have to make sure to click on it, and this is going to take a couple of seconds in order to load it, and I have to make sure to enable the permission. So click the pair button and it has been successfully connected. So as you can see right on top, it also displays that my Bluetooth has been successfully connected, and that is the simplest way to connect Bluetooth speaker to the phone. But make sure that you've also enabled on the device or the Bluetooth speaker, and then you'll be able to do it so that is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.